Gamma AI Presentation Tool Beginner Tutorial. Welcome to this full beginner tutorial on using Gamma AI, the intelligent presentation tool designed to revolutionize how do you create decks, documents, and visual content in 2025. Now, if you've ever struggled with PowerPoint slides, wasted time designing templates, or wished for a faster way to turn ideas into engaging visual stories, then Gamma AI is the solution that you've been waiting for. This tutorial will walk you through exactly how to use Gamma, from signing up to creating your first AI powered presentation, customizing its structure, and sharing your final content with clients, colleagues, or online audiences. So let's begin with the basics. Gamma is an AI first platform that lets you create beautiful, structured, and interactive content without needing design skills. Now, unlike traditional slide tools, Gamma builds your presentation like a living document. It's more flexible than PowerPoint and more structured than Google Docs. Its main power lies in generating full presentation outlines, talking points, and visual layouts using AI. So to get started, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to gamma.app. And over here, you're going to go ahead and start totally for free by signing up with your email or Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. And once we are over here, let's continue with our account. So once we have done that and you're inside, you will land on your dashboard. Now, the dashboard shows any previous decks or documents that you have actually created. Now, I personally haven't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over through the onboarding. And once we have done all of this, we're going to click on done. And here it says create with AI. How would you like to get started? So you have paste in text, generate, import file, or URL. Now, it depends on you on how you want to work with this. Gamma builds your presentation like a living document. So, to start off, to create a new one, you can go ahead with any one of these. You can choose presentation or document. You can paste it in text. It could be something that you've written up and you just want a visual look at it, or you can generate from a one liner. Now, here's where AI magic starts. Gamma immediately asks you what you want to create a presentation about. So let's go over to generate. And what you can do is you can type in anything, maybe benefits of remote work or AI tools for content creators. So let's go with that one, AI tool for content creators. Now I'm going to write it here. That's going to ask you to set some metrics. Okay. So do you want a presentation, a web page, document, or social? Now, in my case, I want a presentation. Okay. And let's make it 10 cards. Then let's go with the ratios. Let's go with a traditional 16 by 9. And let's go with English. Now, once you've entered this one liner, Gamma starts thinking and generates a complete outline for your topic. Now, this includes a title, intro, slide, and suggested section headers like advantages, challenges, solutions, and future trends. Now, you can edit this outline before moving forward. Maybe you want to go ahead and remove a section or even rename a heading. It's all editable at this stage. So what you can do is you can go through with it and you can see what you like, what you don't like. So let's say I don't want this specific information. I can simply edit it out. There we go. Or you can even remove a whole slide if you think it's too much fluff. So once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're simply going to choose your themes and stylings. So let's say I want to go with this one, flamingo. That looks pretty cool. Now, you can also adjust your texts. So let's keep it minimal. Then it asks what type of images do you want? AI images, animated GIFs, illustrations, and you have web images, stock photos, automatic. I'm going to go for web photos. And once we do that, let's click on generate. Now, Gamma will now generate the full content for each section. Within seconds, you will get an entire deck with titles, bullet points, transitions, and even visual placeholders, all created specifically for you. Now, once all of this is done, next is going to come customization. Each of the page of the presentation is editable like a mix between Google Slides and Notion. You can click on any block of text to edit it, move things around, change the layout, or even add visuals. Gamma provides different layout templates for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through with all of this. And now you can see anything that I click is editable. I can remove this photo. I can remove these icons if I want to. I can even add my own stuff. Okay. So that is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool little thing that it gives you. And on the right side here, you have the whole index to add elements for yourself. It's pretty cool. It's pretty amazing. Now, Gamma provides different layout templates. So if you want a split view with text and image or a full width chart, you can switch instantly without starting totally from scratch. Everything is extremely drag and drop, and you can also change the theme of your, basic title. So let's say I like this one now. So I'm going to change it to that, and look at that. It switches itself to that. And even looking at it, you can see how minimalistic it kept it, but it also filled it in with all this information. And as you can see, it gives you the correct and amazing images that you need. You can even go further down and see all of this. So, pretty great and pretty amazing stuff to create for yourself. Now, you can also get access to an AI assistant while editing. Highlight any block, okay? And once you have highlighted this block, what you can simply do is you can use AI to work with it. Okay. And this is edited with AI, and you can ask it to do anything for you. Okay. You can go ahead and ask it to rephrase, expand, summarize, or rewrite the section to fit your tone better. Now, this is perfect if you want to make the content and sound more professional, more casual, or more persuasive, depending on your audience. So let's go and ask it and tell it to try a new layout. Maybe you don't like this specific layout that you're working on. So you can simply click any other button and try a different layout. So let's say I want to go ahead with this one. That one looks pretty cool. And what it does is it adds a new image and gives you a new layout. Pretty amazing. Gamma also gives you themes and styles that we've discussed. Now, you can match your branding or taste. You can switch color schemes, fonts, and overall visual feel with one whole click. So let's say I want something dark. You can come over here and look at that. Voila. You have everything in front of you. Now, let's also explore interactivity, which is one of Gamma's standout features. Unlike a static PowerPoint, Gamma checks are interactive. You can collapse and expand sections, add callouts, insert polls or buttons, and structure your content like an unfolding story. So when you're ready to share, Gamma gives you multiple options. So you click on share, and you can share it in many ways. You can either share it with people, and if you want to export it, you can export it to a PDF, a PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even as PNGs. So let's say I want to export it as a PDF. And once you do that, it's going to be downloaded pretty quickly. And once it's done, you can see it's right over here. And once everything is done and good to go, you're going to be able to see that Gamma will provide you the perfect export yield. So, to summarize, a Gamma AI is a smart presentation builder that combines the simplicity of writing, the power of AI, and the flexibility of design all in one place. You can go from a blank page to a polished branded presentation in minutes. No design skills, no marketing, no design or template needed. It's perfect for teachers, content creators, business owners, and anyone who needs to communicate ideas visually. So, whether you're preparing a business pitch, writing an internal proposal, or sharing project updates, or even building a portfolio, Gamma gives you the tools to create standout content that's clear, engaging, and interactive. So, if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.